Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your HomeSmart profile, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your HomeSmart profile, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the HomeSmart website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on login to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, look for the sign up option and click on it. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and any necessary details. Make sure to create a strong password and confirm it in the given field. Once you have filled out all the information, click the Create Account button. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from HomeSmart. Open the verification email and click on the link provided. This link will redirect you back to the HomeSmart platform. After clicking the link, return to the login page. Enter your credentials again, your email and the password you created. Click the Login button to access your HomeSmart profile. Once logged in, navigate through the setup steps to complete your profile. This may include adding your contact information and any preferences. After updating your profile, make sure to save your changes. You are now ready to explore your HomeSmart account and its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.